If your cat's breath could clear a room, you might be eyeing products like Glovoro Cat Dental Powder, a supplement that claims to improve your cat's dental health naturally. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it just another pet care gimmick? Let's break it down. So Glovoro Cat Dental Powder is marketed as a daily powder you sprinkle on your cat's food to help support oral hygiene, freshen breath, reduce plaque and tartar buildup, and generally improve dental health. It says it's made from natural ingredients that are safe for cats and that it's easy to use. Sounds convenient, but does it actually deliver results? Before we judge the product, let's understand the basics. Cats can develop plaque and tartar just like humans, and over time that can lead to gum disease if not managed. Brushing teeth daily is the gold standard for preventing buildup. Veterinary dental cleanings are often needed when tartar gets out of control. Supplements and powders can support dental health, but they can't replace actual brushing or professional care, so we need to see whether Glovoro's claims are reasonable or exaggerated. Cat dental powders usually include ingredients like natural enzymes, herbal extracts, and probiotics, and minerals. These ingredients may help with mild plaque formation and breath odor in some cats. But here's the key. Clinical evidence in real cats is limited for most at-home dental powders. That means benefits tend to be mild and variable, not a guaranteed fix for advanced dental issues. In other words, they can help maintain, but they're not a cure-all. Looking at actual cat owners' feedback, some report noticeably fresher breath after a few weeks of use, a general reduction in surface buildup compared to doing nothing. Others say no significant change in plaque or tartar, and some cats don't like the taste or texture, and strong dental issues still require brushing or vet care. This mixed experience is typical with supplements. Some cats respond well, others hardly at all. So does Glovoro Cat Dental Powder actually work? Yes, as a supplemental dental support tool, it can help some cats with mild breath and plaque maintenance. But no, it's not a miracle fix. It won't replace daily brushing or veterinary cleanings for serious dental issues. The bottom line, if you struggle with brushing your cat's teeth, a dental powder can add a bit of support. Just don't expect it to solve major dental problems alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.